Here are 17 websites where you can get free money. These websites are giving away free money for food, free money for medical expenses, free funding to go traveling, money to educate your kids, and to fulfill your other life goals. For the first 30 years of my life, I lived in poverty. Many days I was just eating potatoes or bread and milk because I didn't have money to buy vegetables, chicken, or meat. I know what it's like to suffer financially, and so I really hope that these websites that I'm about to share with you will help you achieve a positive financial change for your family and for yourself. So if you'd like more videos from me in the future, then click the subscribe button just below this video and let's get into it. So the first website is paytogo.com. You can download their app from the App Store, and this website will pay you up to $75 USD per month for just walking the way that you normally would. The goal of this service is to motivate you to exercise more and drive less. And they'll pay you up to 10 cents per mile for just walking and running outdoors. So it's a great way to exercise and make money at the same time. It has 4.5-star reviews on average from 3,000 ratings. So if you get this app, you'll get the opportunity to earn money for free, as well as hopefully you'll get motivation to walk more and be healthier. Website number 2 is called fundmytravel.com. On this website, you can get funding for your travel dreams and goals. So you can register, create your campaign. Once your funding request goes live, it will be available for searching from the main page of Fund My Travel website, and you can start receiving donations. So for example, here I've searched by keyword Africa, and I can see here are some campaigns that are already getting funding. Now you guys might be asking yourself, well, why would someone get on here and start donating money? Now listen, here is the thing. There are a lot of wealthy people out there who have got the funds and have got the means to be able to do something good. And if your campaign or request just happens to strike a chord with their values, with their passions, they might choose your campaign, they might choose to support you. So it all comes down to, of course, some luck, as well as just being able to put together a good, emotionally strong message into this funding request. So here are some other examples of the campaigns on Fund My Travel that are receiving funding as of right now. Next website on our list is BeFrugal.com, and this website specializes in cashbacks. So you don't need to do anything different to what you are already doing. If you're already doing any shopping online, you just do this shopping using BeFrugal and you get 2 benefits. And if you refer to the frequently asked questions, you can see that BeFrugal actually partners with over 5,000 retailers. And BeFrugal basically gets customers for these retailers, and then BeFrugal get a commission for bringing new sales to the business. And BeFrugal then pays you back a portion of what they get from retailers. So let's say if you decide to buy some clothes, then you could go into stores, apparel, men's, and then there are featured stores as well as other stores where you can get these cashbacks. So if you spend a certain amount of money at Under Armour, let's say you spend $100, then you will get a 15% cashback that you wouldn't otherwise get. That's $15 for spending $100. Once you've accumulated the balance, then you go to the payouts page and select your preferred payout method and request the payment. You can get payments by check, direct deposit to a bank account, or via PayPal. There are also a couple of other payout methods. Next on our list is Webull. I'm not associated with them. I'm not affiliated with them in any shape or form. But if you already do some kind of investments or share trading, then it might be worth investigating Webull or other similar stockbroking companies, because they give you free stocks. And here is how. When you register and open a new account, you can deposit and claim 6 free stocks. If we read the terms and conditions, you can see that during this offer period, eligible customers might make an initial deposit of any amount into their eligible account. And once the deposit settles, eligible customers may claim their free fractional shares in 6 stocks at once. So here are the odds of getting shares of different values. You can get shares between $3 to $3,000. And of course, the odds are that the shares that the people will get are in the $3 per share to $10 per share range, but there are some chances to get higher valued shares all the way up to $1,000 to $3,000 per share range. As always, I pull out Reddit to check how things went for other people, and you can see that their experiences are different, but everyone does get something. For example, someone got $9 worth, someone pulled out a share worth $220, someone got $80 worth, someone got $40 worth, etc. Next on our list is the website called Go Get Funding. You can register and start raising funds for free. You can take a look at some of the success stories. For example, someone raised 1,000 Singaporean dollars for a short film, $3,500 for the college fund, some additional money to help with fire damage on their property. And here are some of the examples of the current campaigns that that are ongoing and how much money has been raised for them. Again, the way that people will discover those, they'll get onto this website and they'll actually search for something that they're passionate about, that they want to contribute money to. And if they like your listing, there is a good chance that they might contribute to it. So if you've got a good cause, there is no reason not to give it a try. Next website on our list is called justgiving.com. And you can see that the message of this website is do something incredible today. So they're basically targeting people who are looking to spend some money and help someone. And they're attracting those people to get onto their website, search through it, and look through the campaigns and find causes that they want to contribute to. So you can put your own fundraising request onto this website and hopefully attract some of those sponsors. Here is a preview of some of the campaigns that are running now. They're always updating. And here you can start fundraising if you need money, or if you are a person looking to donate, you can start browsing charities and actually finding somewhere some good cause to donate to. So for example, my mom's going through some medical issues right now. So health and medical is very close to my heart. So I could go into health and medical and just take a look at what kind of fundraisers are running. And we can take a look at this one, stroke and neurosciences. And this campaign, for example, raised £43,000. Well, here is an example of a running campaign for medical treatment and health costs. And this is from an individual. And they're raising 5,000 Great British pounds. And so far they've raised 385. So this kind of listing can attract potential sponsors who are just going through and looking to contribute to causes they're passionate about. Next website on our list is missingmoney.com, and it's a super exciting website. So it's an official website that's endorsed by states and provinces in the United States, and you can enter your last or first name and see if any money is owed to you. So I'm going to put in Kononenko Greg, search, and it looks like I have quite a lot of people with the same last name as mine in the United States. So we've got 137 unclaimed properties. And if you look through these, look at this, there are people who are owed from the government, from various sources, from businesses, money, and some of them are quite small, under $25, but there are some that are in a high range, $50 to $100, over $100. And you can see who owes that money. So Department of Health owes Evelina Kononenko over $100, and we don't know, it could be thousands of dollars, and all that Evelina would need to actually do is just go onto this website and claim the money. And you can see amongst the debtors are PayPal, Carolina Manufacturing Services, Bank of America, Land Title Guarantee Company, a whole range of different businesses that are owing money to regular people. So it just takes a second, jump on and have a look. Maybe you might be owed some money. Next website on our list is beggingmoney.com. Once you're on this website, go to the top, click ask for money, and it gives you instructions on what to do. So you can't use Yahoo email addresses, write at least 400 words explaining your situation, and create your PayPal me link. Fill it all out here just below under the donation request, submit it, and people who want to donate, they'll generally get over here and go to donate, and they will look through all of these listings, and you can see that there is a PayPal address on each of them, and they can choose to donate if they feel like they're passionate about the cause. Next website on our list is this website here called GoFundMe. It works for individuals as well as for businesses, and here are some of the successful fundraisers that are happening in your area. So you can see here gender affirming surgery, there is a Tanzania mission trip, there are some donations happening for Khalid and his family to rebuild their house. So basically you would go up the top and click start a GoFundMe and fill out all of this information here. And there's tons of different categories, so anyone who wants to donate, they'll choose a cause that they're passionate about. For example, if someone wants to donate to people who are in a financial stress situation, they'll go here and take a look at all of these fundraisers that are happening near me in Australia right now and the funds that are being raised. Next on our list is Indiegogo, and this one is a little bit different because it's aimed at people who've got an idea and they're looking for funding to implement that idea to life. So people who are looking to invest into tech, they'll generally jump onto Indiegogo and they'll take a look at the ideas that are listed here. And if you list your idea and it's a good idea, then they'll get in touch with you and they'll potentially provide you with funding. For example, here are some of the ideas that have received funding on Indiegogo so far. So someone's come up with an idea for a Ring One, which is world's latest and most advanced smart ring, and they've raised $1.2 million so far. There is another one. There is an open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. So if you had the idea to create this self-cleaning cat litter box and you listed it on Indiegogo, then you could have got these $636,000 to implement your idea. And there are some really cool things on here. For example, look at this. There is a pocket-sized umbrella. So it's an umbrella that is the size of a smartphone. And these guys have raised 273,000 euros so far. Next on our list is Crowdfunder. And it's a really cool website because it connects creators with independent businesses, Crowdfunder specializes specifically in creators and arts. So if you're more of the arty type and you're looking for funding, then this is your website. And some of the campaigns that are doing well at the moment and getting a lot of funding are just a sample here: Elf on the Shelf inspired horror short film. There is a School of Oil and Water. So this is again an artistic type project. And here is an example of someone raising funds for their first studio album. And look at this, they've raised 2.3 thousand euros so far. Next on our list is a service or an app called Miles, and it's available both for the iPhone as well as for the Android phones. And this app essentially rewards you for being on the move by walking, running, catching a bus, catching public transport, or driving. This is a very popular app. The reviews are really, really good. There is 58.8 thousand ratings and it's 4.7, almost 5 stars. And in terms of how it works, you download the app, register the account, set location services to always, and depending on your mode of transport, it'll reward you with so-called miles, and then you can exchange those miles as rewards for different categories of products. And while this is not straight up cash, this is very easy because you don't need to change anything about what you are doing, and it's passive and it will just reward you for moving around the way that you normally do. And you do get some cash value just in goods instead of getting actual amounts of money. Next website is called Fundly. It works for both individuals and charities. And there is a huge variety of different causes that have been listed and are attracting donors that get onto this website and basically go through and take a look at what causes they can contribute to. Next on the list is Kickstarter, and this is a very well-known website. Many huge projects have been realized because of Kickstarter funding. They've raised $7.6 billion so far from investors. This website is focused mostly on creative and software work. Many computer games have been funded through Kickstarter. For example, here is a computer game that is being funded right now called Spiritfire. And look at this, their goal was 46,000 euro and they have raised 570,000 euro. I mean, this is insane. It goes to show that if you have a good idea that people are passionate about and want to support you, then there is definitely funding sources out there. The reason why this works so well is, let's say someone has got an idea about Spiritfire to make this game, but they just have to work a day job on a day-to-day basis. They can't actually implement this because they don't have time. So through Kickstarter, they can raise the funding, they can quit their job, and they know that they've got this 570,000 euro, basically almost $1 million Australian dollars. They know that they can just allow themselves to spend a year or two working on this game and they won't have the pressure of feeding their family or feeding themselves. Next on our list is Fundable, and Fundable is more geared towards business ideas. So if you've got a business idea and you're looking for funding for that business idea, you can definitely check out Fundable and it could be a good place to list your project. For example, someone came up with an idea for Hypertech Homes, ultimate defense against wildfires and wind. Someone else came up with this idea, Uplift, the first zero lifting independent transfer system between bed and wheelchair. Next on our list is Ulule.com, and once again this one is more geared towards businesses and getting business ideas up and running. This is a pretty big platform. They've had more than 43,000 funded projects in Europe alone. Next on our list we've got Seed and Spark, and this one is aimed more at people who are into creative projects. It's a pretty large website. They've raised over $54 million so far with an 82% success rate. So people who want to fund creative projects will generally jump onto this website and go into fund a project, and they'll look through the films, and here they can see the projects that need funding. And look, a lot of them are actually either very close to being funded or got funded. For example, this La Serenata feature film, the creator wanted to raise $51,000 and they achieved that. And if you guys want to learn how I've been making money with short form content, you can grab free access to my training at fastervideos.com. Just type in fastervideos.com into the browser or click the Faster Videos link in the description below. And when you land on a page like this, enter your email and click this button, get instant $0 access now. And I'll show you how I've built my YouTube channel up to 468,000 subscribers, how I'm publishing shorts that are getting insane amounts of views, millions of views and hundreds of thousands of views, so that you can copy this method and start monetizing short form content and make decent money just from short form content.